Hey guys, I'm Arvin and today I'll be showing you how to use the pen tool. Okay, so we have our open document here. First thing to know about the pen tool is the shortcut for it on your keyboard, which is P. I'll switch it right away to the pen tool. So what the pen tool does is it creates points and lines to make a path. Paths are vector-based drawings. A vector is a mathematical way of describing where image information should be placed, so lines, geometric shapes, and curves come into play rather than pixels. For example, fonts don't depend on pixels or resolutions and can be scaled without losing quality. Okay, so you can either leave the path as is, or you can add more points to connect it with the final point and the beginning point to make a shaped path. Now you can do a lot of things with the pen tool. If you right click on your mouse while having the pen tool on your path, there are a few options available. The ones you'll most likely be using is making a selection out of it, stroking it, or filling it. Let's demonstrate that right now by making a selection out of the path. Go ahead and press OK, and it makes a selection. And then go back, Control Z to undo, and then we fill the path, right click, fill path, press OK, and it fills the path. Undo, Control Z, and then right click and strike the path. And since I'm using the pencil for my preset, and it's kind of thin, so I kind of need to get rid of the path. To do that, you can just press enter and it gets rid of the path, and now I can see the stroke. Go ahead and undo. Okay, so let's go over how to curve your paths to make shapes. Okay, let's do an easy shape. How about a heart? How you would go about making a shape is decided where the major curves and angles are on the shape and place your points there. For a heart, major points would be on the bottom, the top of the curve, in the middle, and then connect it. Okay, so let's go over how to curve it. There are two ways to curve your path. First way, you can go into the pen tool presets and head over to convert point tool. And like that, you can hover over a point and curve it. You can adjust the curve using its handles or anchors and curve it how you want to. Just like that. Okay, and then the second way of curving it would be to curve it while making it. So you make your point, your first point, you can curve while holding down the left click button. That's weird. Okay, and make the next point. Then boom, just like that. Okay, and while we're at it, let's go ahead and let's go over how some of the shortcuts. To There is a shortcut for the convert tool, so you don't have to go into the presets and select it manually. If you hold down Alt and go over a point, you can convert and move and curve the points without having to go to the convert point tool. Another shortcut is if one of your points is out of place, you can move it by holding Control and going over a point, and you can move a point like so. Move the point, it's out of place. Just like that. And then another one, if you might want to use it, is Control and Alt, and then click on the path, and it duplicates the path for you, which could be useful. Okay, so let's go over some of the presets. First, we have the freeform pen tool. The freeform pen tool is pretty much just like a regular pencil tool. There's no points you have to make or anything, because once you connect it to the beginning, it makes the points automatically for you. And then you can go ahead and edit it how you want it. Okay, let's go over the curvature pen tool. Curvature pen tool works like the regular pen tool, but when you make more points, it curves the path for you automatically. And you can do stuff like that. Okay, now let's go over the main reason some of you might use the pen tool is to make selections. What other selection tools can't do but the pen tool can is make super precise selections. So let's go ahead and open up any picture that you want to select. Here I have my lychee painting. Okay, so let's go ahead and zoom in on my painting. Control plus. Okay, so let's go ahead and go into our pen tool. You can use a shortcut, which is P, and go ahead and make your path. Tip for making selections on images is the less points you have, the better it is, because you can be more efficient with making your path, your shape, because it takes less energy and less effort. Okay, so there I completed my path. And then let's go ahead and convert it. You can just hold Alt or Option and curve the path. Oh, made that one a little bit too wide. Go ahead and put that down there. Make that up there. Okay. Since this is just a demonstration, it doesn't have to be super precise. Okay, and there we have it. And all you have to do is right click and make a selection. Press OK, and it makes your selection. And if you use your move tool, press V, you can go ahead and move it around, see it's selected out of your image. And that's pretty much it for my video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. Enjoy your day.